You have to be a good steward of your time, and you need to focus on properties where there's enough equity that you can actually help them, okay? If a homeowner calls me tomorrow and their house is going to sale on Friday, right? And they say, Lee, you got to help me. I got your letter. I owe $480,000. And I very quickly determine the value of their home, and it's worth $400,000. They owe $80,000 more than it's currently worth. There's nothing I can do for them between tomorrow and Friday that's going to stop the sale. They have to file bankruptcy. The only other option for them is short sale. And short sale can take 9 to 12 months. There's nothing fast about a short sale. So there's got to be equity. So you guys have to know how to determine which deals have equity and which deals do not. Now, to make this real simple, you need a minimum. Please write this down. You need a minimum of 25% equity to make this work, to make this happen, to help them. Example, you do your research, the house is worth 400 grand, they owe 300, okay? That's 25% of equity. There's enough margin here. We can help them. They have options. If the home is worth 400 and they owe 390, there's nothing you can do to help them, okay? You can't pay $390,000 for a house worth 400 grand. You just can't do it. So if there's no equity, nothing we can do outside of a short sale, which may require them to file bankruptcy, okay? So value is really important. The second thing we need to know is, what is the debt? What is it worth? What do they owe? Okay, what is it worth? What do they owe? That's what we got to know, okay? Now, the homeowner will tell you this, just ask them. But, as Ronald Reagan says, trust but verify. So after they tell us what they believe they owe and what it's worth, we're then going to check the title, okay? Now, you can do this a couple of ways. One, you can order a full-blown title report. You could contact a title company right now, and you can order something called a TSG. I want you to write that term down, TSG. This is a trustee's sale guarantee, a TSG report. Now, a lot of title companies don't even offer these anymore because of the liability that comes with them. But if you get one, you're going to pay anywhere from $400 to $500 per title report, okay? That's expensive, especially on a property we don't know if we're going to buy it yet. A better way to go is to get what's called a debt stack. Now, for those of you that have SendFuse, you already have access to debt stacks. Okay, a debt stack looks like this. Okay, it's a property profile. It's usually anywhere from 5 to 25 pages, and it gives you all kinds of information about the property: year built, bedroom and bath count, and then it gives you lien priority. Okay. So it'll tell you the first lien, the second lien, the third lien, if there are any, previous owners, what they paid for it, when they bought it, tax liens against the property, comps, everything you need to know, surrounding neighbors, everything you need is in a debt stack. Now, SendFuse users, you better be utilizing these, okay? Now, the way you get them is through your cell phone. You just go Title 4, and then you just put in the address of the property, and it'll spit out one of these nice little debt stacks for you. For those of you that do not have SendFuse, you need to get it. So you could right now go to getsendfuse.com, or you can talk with one of my business development consultants about, just ask them, hey, Lee says I need SendFuse, what is it? Now, for those of you that would like to see a debt stack and don't have SendFuse, right now you can go to leearnoldsystem.com/debt stack, DEBTSTACK, debt stack, okay? And you can buy this report for $5, and you can just buy it on a one-off piecemeal. So if you don't have SendFuse or can't afford to get SendFuse right now, but you still need debt stacks, you can get them at leearnoldsystem.com/debt stack, and it's $5 for a 25-page report, which you are not going to get anywhere. And anything even comparable to this would run you $50 to $100 for a title company, and it would take days to get it. With SendFuse through our debt stack process, you can have that literally within seconds. So I want you all right now, here's another one of your homework assignments. If you have SendFuse, go in and pull a debt stack on your primary residence or the apartment. If you live in an apartment, pull the debt stack on the apartment or the house or the duplex that you're currently living in. And you'll see exactly who owns it, when they bought it, how much they paid for it, how much they owe against it. And you can get all of that information right now. So I want you all to make a $5 investment and go get a debt stack on your house so you can see what one looks like and you can see the value and the benefit of the information, okay? That is the easiest and the fastest way to get the information you need on upcoming foreclosure properties. Debt stack, LeeArnoldSystem.com/debt stack, okay?